how to use YouTube with low MB data or how to save internet using YouTube. So hello guys, in this tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can save your MB using YouTube. So it was very easy. First of all, we will simply open YouTube app. So I will go to YouTube app. Once you click on YouTube, you guys will see on top lower right side profile pic. So simply click here. Now here on top right corner, you guys will see search option, bell icon, also setting option. So simply click on settings. Once you click on setting, you guys will see general switch account. But we will simply scroll. Once you guys scroll, you guys will see downloads, data saving. So simply click on data saving. Once you click on data saving, you guys will see on top data saving mode. So you will simply turn on it. Once you on it, MBs will be start saving and your data will be saved. And your YouTube will be take little MBs. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.